Hello and welcome to my channel, Cyber Hero. So this will be the second video of Linux series. What we are going to hear install this Linux. So this is some theory about installation. Linux installation is the process of setting up Linux operating system on a computer, either as the only OS in a double root system or inside a virtual machine. We will use this inside a virtual machine. Okay. How to install this? There are a lot of videos available on YouTube. I will tell you what to do, what to not to do, which ISO image should we download it. So first thing, let me write here. First we have to download VirtualBox or VMware or VMware workstation, latest version. Or else any other workstations. First thing, right? I'll show you where to download these things. Right, say any other workstation. Second one, we have to download ISO image. ISO image. Third thing, we have to set up these things. Fourth one, ready to use. Now ready to use. These four things we will learn here. First, I'll open my browser. I'll search here. VirtualBox for Windows 11. Which version you are using? Let's search for that one. Then you will hear go yes direct. VirtualBox. This will be your link. Download. Accept and download. Windows host. Then you will go for Windows host. And it will be show download. I have already downloaded. You guys go for that one VirtualBox. After downloading it, yes, run it administrator or else directly simply run it. You will then ready to use VirtualBox. What does it will do? It provides a virtual platform where we can install ISO image of any OS. It may be a Linux, maybe some other Windows host. Just like I have an ISO image of Windows, I can also run there Windows 8.7.86. Another thing what I have to do for search for ISO image. Here we will use Kali Linux. Why Kali Linux? Why not Ubuntu itself? Because we are in upcoming videos we are going to learn cybersecurity, ethical hacking. So I know for that purpose Kali Linux will be best. You can go for also Parrot OS. I will suggest to go for Kali Linux. My favorite Kali Linux download. ISO file download. Kali Linux ISO file download. Don't go for other links, just official www.kali.org. Get Kali links here. Here, when you click on this page, here you will see two different images: install image, virtual machines. Now, which one to choose, which one to not choose? It's totally dependent upon you, how much your PC is capable. If you are a beginner, you have never ever used it before this Linux platform, I will suggest you go for this one. This is ready to use, no hardware contact. Here you can see also snapshot functionality, isolated environment, customized Kali kernel, limited direct access to hardware, higher system requirement. ये दो चीजें इसमें नहीं है. These two things are not involved here. But this image, it's a full direct access to hardware. You can manage your Bluetooth adapters, can add some Wi-Fi adapters here. If you have installed this one, you cannot add Wi-Fi adapters. Customized Kali, no overhead. What is here is some written, just read it. VMware and VirtualBox pre-built images, allowing for Kali install without alternating the host OS with additional features such as snapshots. So this is single or multiple boot Kali gives you complete control over, main point, complete control over hardware access, perfect for built-in Wi-Fi and GPU, and even the best performance. Are you going to hear? By default, password will be Kali Kali. So download this one, clicking here. Which one you have downloaded, VMware or VirtualBox or Hyper-V or Qemu? So if you have downloaded VirtualBox, go for it. Here you can download it. If you have downloaded VMware, just go for here, download it. After downloading here, it will be a zip folder, then extract it. Where you want to extract, then click on it. Then open your VirtualBox. I have already installed VirtualBox. Then you will go for that VirtualBox. Then you will set up. I have already set up with that. If you want a video from scratch how I downloaded that one, then tell me in comment section. I don't think you need about that because a lot of videos are present on YouTube where you can see how to download these things. This is simple things. You can download it. I trust you guys. So if you are getting any problem, just tell me. I will make a separate video. No worries. I am here for you. उम्मीद करता हूँ समझ गए होंगे. And tell me, shall I use Hindi in my videos or not? I can also speak Hindi. A good thing for you, right? So this was it. Let's say system boot and shutdown. If you have downloaded, then we will go for that things later on. First download it, then we will go for third. Part will be coming soon. Take care. Take care. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.